Welcome to Eurobike 2025 at the Future Challenge booth in Hall 8. Today we will talk about the history of the fast charging interface. Actually, it started in the early 2000s with work of Exnergy and Deutsche Post. It was about to find a universal charging interface for all kinds of electric cargo bikes for Deutsche Post. But then this subject, which was the starting point of Energy Bus, turned into an official European request. In 2010, the European Union mandated in the mandate 468 that every non-car, so the light electric vehicles, should have a single charging interface. And this was 2010, and that's why the IEC started a standardization project. And 5 years later, the standardization project was officially handed over. You can see this picture also at Frankfurt show, but this was the ER car show with the G7 traffic minister meeting as a side event. And there, Violetta Bulc, our Commissioner of Transport of that time, also we handed over our work result of the charge lock cable. Actually, we will walk through the different possibilities and the details of the standard of the charge lock cable. And the key is what we agreed on in the working group is that the cable is fixed part of the device. Like we know it from many household devices where the cable is on the device and the socket is in the wall. Here you can see how some industrial designers placed the charge lock cable. It is hidden away under the seat and the cable just slides into the seat tube. Very handy, almost invisible solution. And there are many other ways how this can happen. We can see that also around that time. Here's a prototype frame of a bike for sharing, where the cable is spring-loaded, can be pulled out of the frame and will retract like you know it from a vacuum cleaner. This is also another possibility to have a cable roller. This is the cable roller of Igus, which will also stay at this place and will retract. It's an industrial product which can be applied here. And of course, it could also be used, like in this case, just have a coiled cable which will allow to be plugged into the infrastructure and then retract into the front basket, which, by the way, is the first industrial application. Maybe now we walk through the legal requirements and we change to the next poster.